Hello, in front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the lower or upper button to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the alarms option. I also forgot to mention, but you can also use the touchscreen. So you can scroll through the menu by using the buttons or the touchscreen. Now select the alarms option and press the middle button or tap on it like this. And here you should see the alarm clock. And by default it should be disabled. And if you want to set up the alarm clock, select the alarm clock option by tapping on it or pressing the middle button. And once you select it, you will see the list of maybe the days on which the alarm should be ringing or be active rather. And you have once, so if you select this option, it's gonna only get activated once. If you select weekdays, it's gonna be working on weekdays. And if you select daily, it's gonna work every day. Select the option you like, then tap on it or press the middle button. And here we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. And we can swipe up and down on the hours or use the lower or upper buttons. Set the hour, then minutes. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to continue. And now the alarm clock is set up and it's enabled, as you can see. And it should go off at 6:32 a.m. on weekdays. And if you want to remove the alarm clock, you can simply disable it like this. And once you try to turn it on again, you will need to set it up again, as you can see. And then you can press and hold the, once you're done, of course, you can press and hold the middle button to go back to the shortcuts menu and press and hold it again to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.